guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Alicia. Alicia loves Disney, and I'm here with Lorna.
Disney Lover 84.
Today, we are gonna open some more pins. The ice cream collectible pin pack. And this is what you can get. Let me know in the comments what you guys would like. So, there's 5 in each one. Lorna, you can go first this time.
Oh, thank you. So I would like to get Jack, Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Pluto, and Goofy.
So the whole pack.
Pretty much. So how to complete this collection.
You're gonna buy more.
Yes.
Okay.
Hopefully we find them in September. But let's see. These do not come in baggies, so. It's Lucky from 101 Dalmatian. Okay, it's cute, but not the one I wanted. Okay, I'm happy. 2 out of the ones I want. Okay.
So far, so good.
Can't complain. Okay, this is Baymax. It's my least favorite one, but it's okay.
Still cute.
Oh, that's it? Oh, I was hoping it was more. But okay, the last one. Oh, we got Donald. Okay, so we got Lucky, Donald, Baymax, Mickey, and Pluto. Not a bad bag. Okay.
Now, for me, I would like Tinkerbell, Sully, or let's go Lilo. You know?
Really?
I don't see now all of them.
Yes, who's water in September?
Guess we should push our hands and good luck.
Yep. Oh, we got okay. Okay.
Still love it. Still love it. So cute. Okay.
So I think, excuse me if I'm butchering the name, but it's Heimlich from A Bug's Life.
That's so cute, though.
The colors are really cute. Yep.
Colors.
No. Get it again. Cheshire.
That's cute, though. Colors. They blend nicely.
Last one.
Oh, I already saw it.
Which one is it? Tigger. It's so cute though.
Gotta love a good Tigger.
These pins are really cute. So hopefully when we go down in September, we get more. And my husband did get me these when he went down in May. So hopefully,
well, not as many dupes, you know?
Yes, but hopefully we can get more when we go down in September. Again, his pocket is gonna suffer.
Sounds like a him problem at the end of the day.
Yes, it does. Thanks for watching.